now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Be a nice chunk of change to win for sure. Boy, oh boy, we are stringing these up faster. I can't even keep track. I'm in red, right through Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. High temperatures, 90 plus. And we check the boxes off each and every day. We've had the official heat wave. Now we're going to do it like times 2. We're going to take this to 6 days as day 5 and 6 look to also be 90 degrees or higher. In the parentheses, I put what the daily high temperature is for each day on Saturday and Sunday. That's one thing we haven't done yet. We haven't broken a record for a daily high temperature. That's when the air temperature has to get to about 100 this time of year. But there's a couple of easy shots on Saturday, Sunday. The record on Sunday, for instance, is only 94. I don't know how that happened, but only 94. We're going to crush that. So daily high records possible this weekend. And the one thing I made when I did this graphic, and I did it wrong, I should have put 7 days because I think we might take this into Monday as well. And if we do take it to 7 days, it's only happened 4 previous times since records have been kept. 1944, it happened twice in one summer. But we've had 6 consecutive days, only 5 times, and that looks like it's going to happen very easily. So temperatures today, 90s for many locations. Even the Rhode Island beaches, westerly got up to 90 at one point, and now a combination of upper 80s and low 90s. Now, if I sit here and try to tell you that the humidity was low today, a lot of you are going to be like, no, it wasn't. But the dew points really are manageable. They're around 60. It could be a lot more uncomfortable once these dew points rise and we get more humidity with that same kind of heat, right? Well, that's what happens for Saturday and Sunday. Humidity goes way up, temperatures creep up a few more degrees, and that combination will be oppressive, especially by Sunday. So satellite and radar, boy, one of these storms would be nice. We could use the rain and maybe it would cool things off. They're going to struggle as they move east. It could be a slight chance of a storm after about 1 o'clock in the morning, but I'm keeping most of the rain out of the forecast and just sweating a lot. Temperatures falling back from 90s to 80s to 70s, and not much relief at night as most locations will settle back in the low to mid 70s for your overnight lows. Sunny and hot tomorrow. Temperatures, if you're going out towards, we'll say, the Rhode Island beaches, real close to 90, but look at these temperatures inland though. A lot of 95s and 96s, and with the humidity increasing just a bit, that takes that real field temperature real close to 100 degrees. And a very hot and humid day, a little more humidity than we have out there now for sure. Southeastern Mass, temperatures for you, a lot of low to mid 90s, real field temperatures close to 100 degrees. And we keep this going. I mean, when you have these weather alerts, so many of them, Saturday and Sunday, heat advisory, right, for the entire area. And that's when you can expect a 95-degree real field temperature for at least 3 hours. I think we're going to crush that. I mean, I think it's going to feel like over 95 for almost the entire day on Saturday and then again on Sunday. And that heat index value, it's so important. Here's your temperature, here's your dew point. The 2 points tomorrow, a little higher, and here's your real field temperature at noon, right around 95. It gets up to 97, close to 98 by the time we get to the afternoon, and then still feeling quite uncomfortable as we go into the evening. I think this little bar will be even more uncomfortable as we go into the day on Sunday. Beach day, yes, but a smart beach day at that. Stay hydrated if you're going to be going into the water. There's no rip current concerns for the Rhode Island and Southeastern Mass beaches. But still, I mean, it's one of those days when you're out there, just make sure you monitor how much sun you're taking in. Try to sit under an umbrella for a little while. Same on Sunday, too. There's that extra 90 on Monday with some storms late in the day, and then finally back into the 80s for much of next week. John.
All right, Jeff, thank you. Still to come on ABC6.